How to write across a line in Word. Have you ever received a document that you need to fill in where there is only a line, and when you do, you get something like this? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it in a better way. So let's get started. Okay, as we have seen, the standard way of writing will leave a hole in the line that we don't want. How can we solve this? In the menu above, select the Insert option. In this menu, find the text box option and select it. In the list that opens, find the Draw Text Box option. Make the text box fit the size of the line. Now type the text you want. As for the name here, I will write someone. When you've done that, all that remains is to remove the frame and increase the font size so that it matches. When you have done all that, you can just position the text so that it is in the middle. And that is all. This way you won't damage the line below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.